China's EVs and strategic sectors are about to face tariffs from the Joe Biden administration. Marking a major escalation in the ongoing China-US confrontation, President Joe Biden's administration is all set to announce new China tariffs as early as next week targeting strategic sectors, according to reports. Electric cars, batteries, microchips and solar equipment sectors are among the important industries that the administration plans to target with new tariffs. This is one of the Biden's boldest pushes in the contest with China for economic supremacy, even though it is anticipated that the decision to be announced on Tuesday next week might be postponed since the White House refused to respond on the matter. The trade battle between the United States and China, which started in early 2018, marks the start of a major economic dispute between Washington and Beijing. Along with other trade barriers and retaliatory actions, it was highlighted by the sequence of rising tariffs placed by both sides on each other's imports. The main concerns that drove the trade confrontation between the two nations were claims that China was engaging in unfair trade practices, including the theft of intellectual property, forced technological transfers, and subsidies to state-owned businesses. Consequently, tariffs costing billions of dollars were placed on commodities worth billions of dollars between the two nations. The two economic behemoths' trade disputes shook supply networks, lowered market confidence, and had a wider impact on the world economy. The electric vehicles market, where both the US and China are two of the major leading participants, is a cause of concern between the two countries. While China has been making significant investments in electric car technology in an effort to lessen its reliance on foreign oil imports and air pollution, the US, on the other hand, has also been developing EVs quite well, led by businesses like Tesla. Yet, in a desperate move to dominate the sector, the ongoing trade dispute between the US and China has also impacted the EV sector through moves such as imposing tariffs on imported EVs and its parts. Significantly, this decision is anticipated to reject Donald Trump's proposal for across-the-board hikes in tariffs and instead target significant industries with new levies. The trade war escalated further the previous month when the US made an effort to outlaw TikTok to prevent Beijing from stealing the immense amount of data of the 170 million Americans using TikTok. The bill banning TikTok was signed into a legislation by President Joe Biden, prohibiting Chinese parent company ByteDance Limited from owning the app. However, ByteDance ruled out the idea of selling the platform to an American buyer, stating that it prefers losing the American market to handing it over to an American buyer. The US-China trade war has also dramatically influenced the semiconductor market. While in terms of chip design and innovation, the US has long dominated the market. China, on the other hand, has been making strides in semiconductor production capacity. However, China's unfair trade tactics in this area, as well as coerced technology transfers and intellectual property theft, have alarmed the US. Due to this, the US took measures to limit the sale of specific technologies to Chinese businesses such as Huawei. Nonetheless, the decision of imposing tariffs on China EVs and other strategic sectors continues the momentum from a call last month to increase duties on Chinese aluminium and steel, consequently severing the already frayed ties between the US and China.